Hello everyone, I'm Janvi. As you see on the screen, our today's topic is operating system and we would mainly see about Mac operating system. Mac OS 10. Here the letter X denotes the Roman number 10 and it was called as Mac OS 10 until the launch of Mac OS Sierra in 2016 and now it is commonly known as Mac OS. It is a beautiful and user-friendly operating system. Mac OS 10 has become a popular choice among computer users and let's see more about it. Before going into depths of macOS, let's have a basics on operating system. An operating system is a system software that manages computer hardware and software resources and provides a platform for running applications. It acts as an intermediator between the user and computer hardware, allowing users to interact with computers and execute various tasks. And there are four major components of computer system. They are user interface, applications and program, operating system and hardware. User interface. Users can include individuals, organization or other entities that utilize the computer system to perform tasks and achieve specific goals. They interact with system through input devices and receive output through displays, speakers or other output devices. Here in user interface, it means users who use the computer system to solve their problems. Application and programs. Software programs designed for specific tasks or purpose such as word processor, spreadsheets, web browsers, etc. Users utilize these applications and programs to perform various tasks, access information, communicate and perform other activities based on their needs and requirements. In simple words, it means apps which we use on our phones and system apps which we use on our desktop, which is used to solve our problems. Operating system, the system software that manages computer hardware resources and provides platform for running applications, manages tasks, memory, file systems, device drivers and provide a user interface for interaction. Computer hardware includes CPU, RAM, storage device, input and output devices, motherboard. These components enable user interaction, software execution, data processing, and information storage. Introduction to macOS. macOS is Apple's operating system for Macintosh computers. It has a user-friendly interface, integrates with Apple's ecosystem, and offers productivity features. It prioritizes stability, security, and performance. Mac OS includes Siri, privacy measures, the Mac App Store, and works on Intel Apple Silicon Macs. Regularly updates, enhances functionality and user experience. There are several versions of Mac OS, but now let's have a glance on few of them. Mac's operating system has undergone a remarkable evolution since its inception in 1984, from its first ever version called System 1 to today's Mac OS Big Sur. Mac OS 10 has undergone several makeovers to keep up with ever-changing demands of its users. macOS Cheetah. It is the first version of macOS 10 which was introduced in 2001. It came with a new Aqua interface and bloated functionality. macOS Leopard. Introduced in 2007, Leopard came with an improved, sleeker interface, quick look for data viewing, and iChat for video conferencing. macOS Mavericks, which was released in 2013. Mavericks came with an upgraded map app, iBook and iMovie integration and a new feature called Finder tabs. macOS Catalina, Apple's latest operating system. Catalina was released in 2019. It introduced Apple's Arcade and enforced stringent privacy controls on our data. Innovative features of macOS 10. These are just a few highlights of macOS 10, which has continued to evolve and introduce new features with each major release. It is renowned for its stability, security, and seamless integration with Apple's ecosystem, making it a popular choice among creative professionals, developers, and general users alike. macOS 10 introduced the Aqua interface, featuring a sleek design, translucent elements, and a dock at the bottom of the screen. Finder is the file management app for easy navigation of files and folders. Spotlight is a powerful search tool for finding files, documents, and applications with suggestion and instant results. Time Machine is a backup utility with a user-friendly interface for protecting and restoring files easily. macOS 10 seamlessly integrates with iCloud, allowing users to sync files, photos, emails, and more across devices. Mission Control provides an overview of open windows, applications, and desktop spaces for efficient multitasking. Launchpad offers an iOS-inspired grid layout for easy access and organization of applications. Siri brings Apple's virtual assistant to Mac, enabling voice commands for tasks like web search and opening apps. The Mac App Store is a centralized platform for discovering, downloading, and updating Mac-specific applications. Application and programs in macOS. macOS 10 comes equipped with an abundance of useful applications and utilities, giving users everything they need to get started. iTunes. iTunes allow you to manage your music collection, purchase songs and movies, and listen to music from Apple Music service. In the field of education, macOS is widely used in educational institutions, providing a platform for students and teachers to access educational resources, create presentations, and collaborate on projects using tools like Keynote, iBook Author, and Pages. TextEdit. Offering basic text editing capabilities, TextEdit can open numerous formats including TXT, RTF, and doc, which is not usually supported by all operating systems. In the field of gaming, it is not as popular as Windows, but it supports growing library of games. Mac App Store offers a selection of games, and a platform like Steam provides access to broader range of titles. Integration with Apple's ecosystem. Apple strives for seamless integration between its devices, meeting the needs of its users with each updated version. Desktop and laptop integration. macOS 10 allows for easy integration between desktop and laptop options, making it easy to work on the go. iPhone and MacBook integration. The integration between your iPhone and MacBook provides features like AirDrop continuity and handoff to allow for easy file sharing and transferring between devices. MacBook and iPad integration. The Sidecar app allows users to use their iPad as a secondary monitor alongside their MacBook. Mac security and privacy features. One of the significant advantages of macOS 10 is its high level of security and robust privacy features. Gatekeeper is a security feature that helps protect against malicious software by controlling which application can be installed and run on a Mac. It verifies the digital signature of application and allows users to install apps only from trusted sources such as Mac App Store or identified developers. Firewall. macOS includes a built-in firewall that provides network-level security by monitoring and controlling incoming and outgoing network traffic. Users can customize firewall settings to allow or block specific applications and services. FileVault. FileVault is a disk encryption feature in macOS that provides robust data protection. It encrypts the entire startup disk, ensuring that the data remains secure even if the Mac is lost or stolen. FileVault requires user password or recovery key to unlock and access the encrypted disk. Future developments in macOS 10. Apple continues to invest in development of their operating system and has announced several exciting new features on the horizon. Monterey. Apple has recently announced the release of new update to the macOS 10 that includes a better Safari experience, new multitasking features, and universal control. Integration with Siri. The future release of macOS 10 is expected to integrate Siri with third-party applications for enhanced voice control capabilities. Redesigning macOS. Rumors are reef that Apple plans to redesign its iconic interface and take cues from the iOS operating to unify the looks of its devices. I hope the video was informative. Thank you.